هاي ستيز.
هاي أليسا، كيفك؟ How are you, Alisa?
ستيز
Yes.
ليك مين بيقول لك هاي؟ ستيز
كيفك استاذ؟
كيف أحوالك؟ كيفك أندرو؟
لك منيح منيح استاذ، كيفك انت؟
حال اشتقنا لك.
ايه والله نحن كمان.
كيف الجامعة؟
منيح.
عم تعمل كمبيوتر ساينس ولا؟
لا كمبيوتر انجينيرينج،
وين؟
سوفت وير انجينيرينج، بروجرامينج هيك شغلات.
باللبنانية ولا وين؟
لا بالأنطونية.
أنطونية، يا منيح. كيف المات؟
ايه
كيف المات؟
المات منيح، الجبرا 2 ماتريكس وهيك شغلات.
عم تاخد A ولا B بالمات؟
بعد ما عملنا استاذ هلا، هاي اول سمستر بعدين نبلش.
بعد ما كنت أول سيمستر أوف يعني.
ايه
منيح، بتكون نصحان.
اندرو تسايند.
كيفك نايرة؟
يلا يلا بلا ما نقطعك استاذ.
منيحة استاذ، انت
بس
كيفك؟
ماشي الحال، بس اوعك تلهيها لأليسا هلا.
لا لا
اوكي.
استاذ بلا استاذ. استاذ
Yes.
بلا probability بالاكزام بليز.
No, I have
ايه استاذ؟
I have written that
استاذ اصلا مش عم نتذكر شيء من انتجرالز وهيدول.
ما راح كلهم معكم 3 chapters.
استاذ بس نعمل 1 period.
ما في 5 minutes.
مرحبا استاذ.
كيفك هيكاز؟
ايه هابي تيتشرز داي.
Thank you هيكاز. So let's start. هيكاز؟ هيكاز؟
شو استاذ؟
يلا بس 1 minute. General science, at which time you will watch the video that I sent it today?
بعد ما
Whenever I send a video, you have to watch the video during the period. يعني إذا أنا اليوم بعثت فيديو، أستاذ باسم بعت 2 videos. At which time you will watch the videos and write the notes?
At night.
At night?
Yes.
I believe.
أحسن وقت للدرس.
I believe that. So.
أستاذ شامل فيديو ريفيجن ولا؟
You open the video, you watch the video. I will not tell you to watch the video.
Okay.
Okay, for the second term exam, you have 3 chapters for life science: logarithm, exponential, and probability. 3 chapters. For general science, you have 5 chapters. But you are responsible. For the integral. You are responsible for the integrals that we took in logarithm and exponential. But chapter of integrals, you don't have the chapter of integrals, but you are responsible for calculating of areas.
Yes.
So 3 chapters and 5 chapters. So
3 chapters من بس وفي complex وهي
similitude.
Yes.
So we have 2 urns, U and V.
هيدا
Probability, it is a simple exercise. You get a simple exercise. U and V are 2 urns such that urn U carries 3 cards holding the numbers 3, 1, and 0. We have a total of 3 cards here. And the urn V carries 4 cards. 4 cards carrying 2 carries the number 8. 1 carries the number 5, and 1 carries the number 4. So these are the urns. 1 card is selected randomly from you. First, we select 1 card from you. First, we have to choose from you. If the selected card from you holds the number 0, if the selected card from you holds the number 0, then 2 cards are randomly and simultaneously selected from V. Yani, this is, we select the number 0 is called A, we'll see it later, and A bar. If we select a ball numbered 0 from you, it is called A. What is the probability to get 0? What is the chance to get 0 here? If I take a ball from you, what is the chance to get 0? Hello? Anybody answers?
Possible cases over total cases.
1 over 3. And not 0 is 2 over 3. Now, if we take a card number 0 from you, I choose 2 balls or 2 cards simultaneously from V. And if the selected card you does not hold the number 0, then 3 cards are selected randomly and simultaneously from V. 3 balls simultaneously from V.
And then simultaneously يعني combination نعمل
Yes.
this.
Yes. So there are 2
That-
steps. First step, we choose a ball from you. a card from you. We note its number. If it is 0, then we choose 2 simultaneously. And if it doesn't carry the number 0, we choose 3 cards simultaneously from V. Okay? Is it clear, the experiment? Now, consider the events. A, the selected card from you holds the number 0. A هي الevent that the selected card carries the number 0. S, the sum of numbers. S, sum of numbers from V is even. The sum of numbers from V is even. So we have 2 events. To choose the number 0 is called A, and S, the sum of the numbers is even. 1 part A, calculate probability of S given A. Who can tell how to calculate probability of S given A?
P of A times P A intersect S.
أول شيء probability لل S given A إنه we can determine it by 2 ways, either using the definition or using the rule. الرول هي Mr. Thomas هي probability of S intersection A. This is you are studying after midnight these ones over probability لل A. This is the rule for the S given A. Is probability of the intersection over probability lil A. But here, if you notice, you are asked to calculate probability of S intersection A. So we cannot use this rule. We cannot use this rule because you are asked, you are going to use the definition. What's the definition?
From the tree, it says.
Not from the tree, because we didn't calculate it from the tree. What's meant by S given A? S given A means we choose the number 0 from U. S given A, yani we choose the number 0 from U. S, how many cards we need to take from V?
2.
2. Their sum is even. For 2 cards to be sum is even, which cards you take for the sum to be even?
8, 8, or 8, 4.
8, 8 or 8, 4. So we write here. Probability of S given A equals either probability to get 2, 8 from V or 1, 8 and 1, 4 from V. I described the situation. I take 8, 8 from V or 8 and 4 from V. Now, since we choose simultaneously, we have to use combinations. I choose 2 8s from you is 2 choose 2. 2 choose 2 over 2 choose 4. Possible over total. Plus 1 8 and 1 4. I need 1 8, yani 1 from 2. And 1 4, 1 from 1 over total 2 from 4. We get half.
شوية ده 1 from 2 or 1 from 1.
هيدا 1 from 2 because we have 2 8s. Any questions?
No Ustaz.
Now we are going to calculate probability of S intersection A. How to calculate probability of S intersection A here? Thomas, how to calculate probability of S intersection A?
هلا بنعمل هيدا
هيدا
P of A times
P of A times P of S given A. So here, probability of S intersection A equal probability del A times probability of S given A. Probability del A is 1 over 3 times probability del S given A is half. We get 1 over 6. Part B. Yes. Yes.
يوم أستاذ يوم 1 بيريد مو
ليش to 1 period.
كل العالم إضراب أستاذ.
كل العالم، لا مش كل العالم اضراب. مين قال لك؟
هلا وزاد التربية.
ما تصدق كل شيء بتسمعه. Now, how to verify that probability that S intersection A bar is 1 over 6? How to calculate probability that S intersection A bar? What is probability that S intersection A bar? Like probability that S intersection A, what is probability that S intersection A bar?
PA bar times P
So
SA bar.
probability of S intersection A bar equal probability that A bar times probability of S given A bar. Probability that A bar is 2 over 3. Probability of S given A bar. S given A bar. If the selected card is not 0, how many cards we have to draw from the box, from the RMV? If the card doesn't hold the number 0, we have to choose 3 cards. We have to choose 3 cards simultaneously. S, the sum is even. S is the sum is even. What cards you have to choose in order the sum to be even? 3 cards.
884.
884. So probability of S given A bar equal probability del 884 from V. 884 from V. So I have to choose 2 8, 2 from 2, 1 4, 1 from 1 over total 3. I have to choose them from 4 equals 1 over 4. And probability del S intersection A bar equals 2 over 3 times 1 over 4. We get 1 over 6. And calculate probability del S. How to calculate probability del S? How to calculate probability للS? Probability للS in sum is even. How to calculate the sum to be even?
ناخد from U and V.
Yes, how to write it?
Okay. C11 times.
So we use the rule of total probability. If you notice that we have calculated in part A S intersection A, and in part B we calculated S intersection A bar. So the rule of total probability للS equal probability للS intersection A plus probability للS intersection A bar. So 1/6 plus 1/6 we get 1/3. Rule of total probability للS equal probability للS intersection A plus probability للS intersection A bar. You are getting lazy and lazy. You are not studying.
1/6 plus شو هي؟
1/6. Yes. Part 2. The sum of the numbers held on the selected cards from V is even. The sum held on the selected cards from V is even. Calculate the probability that the selected card from U does not hold the number 0. What we are going to determine. What we are going to determine. Intersection, union, given, what it's required to calculate.
Given.
Yes?
يعني بده يصير even.
Probability
even,
of
knowing that A bar.
the sum of the numbers held on the selected card is even. Even هي S. وين بدي احط S? Above the slash or below the slash?
ايه هذيك المرة قال probability بعد ال probability بيصير numerator.
Yes. شو بدي احط بالنيوميريتور؟
numerator نحط doesn't A bar
A bar
وتحت S.
وتحت S. How to calculate this probability? Probability that A bar given S.
P A bar times
لك وين
times
الرول؟
P.
لك وين الرول؟ طلع الرول. It is here. What is the rank?
ايه لا هي intersection.
So probability of A bar given S equal probability لل A bar intersection S, the rule A bar intersection S over probability لل S. A bar intersection S is 1/6. Probability لل S is 1/3. We get half. So probability of A bar given S هي probability لل A bar intersection S over probability لل S. So whenever we have conditional probability, the event that is given is below the slash, and the event that we need to calculate its probability, it is above the slash. It is the intersection over probability للS. Part 3. Let x be a random variable. نحن ما فسرنا random variable بس هلا نحكي عنه شوي. Let x be a random variable is equal to the product of numbers held by the cards selected from the urns. Let x be a random variable is equal to the product of numbers held by the cards selected from the urns U and V. It must be U and V, from the urns U and V. Missing here U, from the urns U and V. Here there must be U. So let x be a random variable equal to the product of numbers held by the cards selected from U and V. Calculate probability that the product is 0. كيف بيطلع البرودكت 0? What did we choose?
A.
شو ممكن اخذنا من الاير نيو ليطلع البرودكت 0؟ شو اخذنا من اليو وشو ممكن اخذنا من الفي؟ ليطلع البرودكت 0، البرودكت اوف نمبرز از 0. شو ممكن اخذنا من اليو؟ شو ممكن اخذنا من الفي؟ if whenever we take from u we have to take from v.
Yes. أخذنا من U 0 and من V 2 numbers.
Okay. So
2 balls.
2 balls. What are the 2 balls? Any 2 balls.
File. Yeah.
3. Product equal to 0 means probability 0 from u and any 2 balls from v equal probability of 0 from u times probability of any two cards from v. To take 0 from u is 1/3 times any 2 cards, 2 choose 4 over 2 choose 4, we get 1/3. So for the product to be 0, we must take from u the ball number 0, and from v we can choose any two balls, any 2. 2 from 4 over 2 from 4, we get 1/3. Probability للx less than or equal 160. What is the product less than or equal 160? So we can choose from u 0 and any 2 balls we get 0. Also, what we can choose from u, what ball we can choose from u?
One and 3.
No, I can choose if I have to choose first a ball from u. If it is 0, I choose 2 balls from v. If it is not 0, I choose 3 balls from v. I need the product of the balls is less than 160. So I said if we take 0 from U, then the product is 0. Now if I choose the ball number 1 or the card number 1, what I can select? I have to choose from 3 from V, 3 balls from V. What are the
That
3
is
balls?
4, choose 3.
What I choose to be the sum for to be less than 160?
5, 4, 8.
4, 5, 8. Can I choose 3 from U? If I choose 3 from U, 4, 5, 8, the sum will be greater than 160. So we write here.
استاذ
Yes.
اذا اخذت 3 من يو بدي اعمل مالتيبلاي مع 4 5 8.
ما اذا اخذت واحد من اليو يس بدي اعمله ملتبلاي مع ال 4 5 8 يس. So probability لل x less than 160 equal probability لل x equal 0 plus probability لل x equal 160. I have to determine probability لل x equal 160 equal probability to choose 1 from U and 4 5 8 from V to be 160. To choose 1 from U is 1 over 3 because I have one card number 1 over 3 times 1 4, 1 from 1, 1 5, 1 from 1, 1 8, 1 from 2 over C 3 choose from 4, we get 1 over 6. So probability that x less than or equal 160 equal probability that x equals 0 plus probability that x equal 160 equal 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6, it is equal half.
استاذ عم بيقول البرودكت equals 0 ما طلع 0.
The product 0 means you choose the ball number 0 from here with any two balls from here. Yes, بيطلع البرودكت 0. For the product to be less than 160, you can choose one from here and 4 5 8 from here.
خلاص نعمل
1 times 4 times 5 times 8 is 160. I cannot choose 3 from you because if I choose 3 from you, the product will be greater than 160. So probability that x less than 160 equal probability that x equal to 0, which is 1 over 3 here. Here.
This is probability of 3 from you كيف نكتب؟ كمان 1 over 3.
Yes, كتبته هون لك وين 1 over 3.
لا إذا أخذنا number 3 from you كيف نكتب probability؟
كيف نكتب شو؟ Possible over total 1 over 3. 1, I have one ball numbered 1 and total is 3. 1 over 3. Yeah, take we start at 9:05.
لا استاذ له
استاذ بلا سكند
Take 15 minutes.
هذا حبيبي استاذ انت.
Yeah, take 15 minutes break حاج كترو حكي.
مش عارف.
Like
Take 15 minutes break.
No استاذ